everybody, this is Brody Hamill and we're going to read Dog's Colorful Day by Emma Dodd. This is Dog. As you can see, Dog is white with one black spot on his left ear. At breakfast time, Dog sits under the table as usual. Splat! A drip of red jam lands on his back. Now Dog has two spots. After breakfast, Dog runs outside. He slips past the man painting the front door. Splish! His tail dips into the blue paint. Now Dog has three spots. Dog runs to the park and rolls on the grass. Swash! The grass makes a green stain on his white coat. Now Dog has four spots. Dog follows a little boy eating chocolate. Squish! The boy gives Dog a chocolate pat, but no chocolate. Now Dog has five spots. A bee buzzes up to see what is going on. Swish! The bee drops yellow pollen as if it flies by. Now Dog has six spots. Dog trots through the park. Splosh! Splosh! A drop of pink ice cream lands on his right ear. Now Dog has seven spots. Time to go home. Dog runs up the street. Splash! A bouncing ball splatters Dog with gray mud. Now Dog has eight spots. In front of the gate, Dog steps on a carton of orange juice. Splurt! A patch of orange appears on his leg. Now Dog has nine spots. Dog races back inside the house and knocks right into Vicky. Silly Dog. Vicky's purple marker leaves a smudge on Dog's head. Now Dog has 10 spots. Vicky looks down at Dog. She counts his colorful spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vicky looks more closely. Dog has a red spot of jam, a blue blob of paint, a green stain of grass, a brown smear of chocolate, a yellow patch of pollen, a pink drop of ice cream, a gray splatter of mud, an orange splash of juice, a purple smudge of ink, and of course a black spot on his left ear. You need a bath, Dog. When Dog climbs into bed, he has just one black spot on his left ear. Good night, Dog. What a colorful day you've had. Red, yellow, blue, pink, green, orange. Thank you for watching and have a great day.